550. How are you, Ate Lot? Very good. Thank you for making business. Hi there, guys and gals. One lovely morning. 550 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing, okay? Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Otherwise, when you got failed, you will feel upset, depressed, sad, devastated, and angry. And then, expand and enjoy, okay? Be aware of those people, okay? Huh? Be aware and beware. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Bye for now.